Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It will be a super quick one, but I got my bellabox in the mail. It's come. I haven't even taken it out of the outer packaging, and a bit of a change. I haven't even seen any sneak peeks of what's in this month's box, so I fully have no idea what is in here. I did just see on Instagram, however, that they were talking about that this outer plastic casing is fully biodegradable, and it's part of their effort for less landfill, so that is a nice thing to see. Definitely good to see people and companies going towards more sustainable options. Inside, however, we've still got our blue box. You'll have to excuse the light. The sun's coming down. I finished work. I'm tired. I was up at 3 o'clock this morning. But I want to open it, and I thought I'd open it on camera and we can be surprised together. So, all fully sealed. Let's see what we got. Woo! Ripping the paper. Card on top says sun-kissed. I'm not looking at the back because I don't want any sneak peeks. Sun-kissed. So I'm assuming it's something to do with being bronzy and glowy, hopefully. Let's see what we've got. Ooh, we've got a Pantene foam conditioner. So what does this say? Wash your hair with Pantene shampoo, shake well, apply a small amount, adjust the quality, let it absorb into the hair and rinse it off. So it just works like a normal conditioner but in a foaming thing. That'd be cool. I'll play with that. Oh, I did see this. I knew that this was coming out. That was a sneak peek, but I'd forgotten about it, from Manakada Beauty. It is their Bloom Volumizing Mascara in Jet Black. Ooh, I'm not going to open it because I have way too many mascaras open. But that is cool. I like that. Nice. So eventually, at some point, I will get into using that. I'm like, the mascaras are building up. We've got whitening exfoliating cleanser from Elucent. So this is a pure exfoliating cleanser, even skin tone, purifying and balance with Umbilica, fruit extract, glycerin and vitamin B3. And cool. Then we've got a little sample of, not sure what this, whether it's a wipe or not. It is a Puka Blackcurrant Beauty. I'm not actually sure. Oh, wait up. Is it a powder? It smells nice. Even through the thing you can smell it. It has blackcurrant fruit, beetroot, orange peel, licorice. That's what it is. I can smell the licorice. A whole lot of things. So it must be some form of... Oh, it's a tea! That's what happens when I do things without my glasses. Bring these incredible herbs alive by infusing in freshly boiled water for 15 minutes. It's a tea bag. Excellent. I don't drink tea or coffee, but Georgia will drink that. Then we've got a detoxifying sheet mask from Palmer's Coconut Oil. So that's cool. Looks like coconut husk charcoal. I like charcoal skincare, so that's pretty cool. And then our last thing is a Model Co metallic eyeshadow trio. Oh. I have it in Saint Bart's. Let's open it up so that we can actually see what's in there. Ooh, nice colours. I like that one. That's my kind of thing. It's kind of like a grungy, bronzy colour. Nice. Excellent. So let's see what the information sheet has given us for this. The Manakada Bloom Mascara. This is where you can see that I actually wear glasses because I'm like trying to hold it. Take lash to the next level with Monica Dar's Blue Mascara with a cutting edge wand. You are one easy sweep away from intense volume for a fuller and sexier look. And it values for $29 US, so we're probably looking the 35-40 range, knowing our conversion rate at the moment. The Model Co eyeshadow trio is $18. So what are we going to bring that up to? Let's go $55. The Pantene conditioner, a 180ml foam is $10, and we got 47 grams. So what do we want to say? That's like a quarter of it, so $2.50. So what are we? $57.50 roundabout. The exfoliating cleanser, 150 grams, is $29.99. I've just realised I probably had this up the entire time. Sorry about that. I'm not editing it out. Oh, that's the concealer. Hold on. Alright, we've got 10 grams of that. So we're at 15th of that, 15th of 30. So we're looking at $2 there. So we're up to, what, nearly $60, just under $60. And then our Palmer's Coconut Sheet Mask is $5. So all up, just under $65 for value in this box. I am actually quite excited by a few of the products in this box. I'm happy to try the Model Co eyeshadow. Definitely excited for a volumizing mascara. I like volumizing mascaras. Going by the picture on here, I don't know if it's a natural fibre brush, which is what I generally prefer. I think it looks more like a smaller plastic fibre brush, but I prefer a volumizing mascara, so that's good. I have long lashes, I just don't have many of them left. I will try that, that's pretty cool. And the cleanser will just go into the rotation at some point. Generally pretty happy with that box. So we're looking at, you know, $60 to $65 value, which isn't too bad considering we pay $20 for the box. So I'm pretty happy with that. Glad that there was a couple of makeup products in there. Yeah, I look forward to getting into it. I will try the Model Co shadows probably pretty soon, and I'll get back to you on that. Like I said, the mascara is going to have to go into the drawer and I'll pull it out at some point. But the twistiness of the wand is intriguing, so we'll definitely see what happens. Alright, don't forget, hit that subscribe button. I know you want to do it. Press like, comment, all that good stuff. And remember, be kind, be strong, and be a warrior. And I will see you later. Bye.